Hello everyone, we're back. Oh, it's backwards. Amazing. Hello everyone, it's good to be back. Um, we are going to continue on today um on our teleport doors. Um, my ear is ticklish. Cool. GitHub, TDOR functional. I'm working on that. So I'm going to start tracking time. Amazing. There's a rabbit over in the corner who I will yoink at some point, I'm sure. Yeah. I need to fix the camera so that, yeah, because that one is a little too much aiming down. Whatever, it's good enough. Hope you've been well. Right. Oh, she's in the tunnel. You are a good brownie. Yes, you are. Okay. So our teleport doors. They've been working. My like basic setup has been working quite well. I think there's a few things that I need to adjust to get them working properly. As you see, that works nicely, and when you step away, that's working as intended, which is really nice. The issue is that this one. Oh no, that's right. Oh, amazing. Oh, now it's stuck. Amazing. I think that's working pretty well, actually. I think it's kind of hard to tell. I have to like visualize it quite clearly. Yep. Yep. Cool. Cool. I think the next step is getting the actual teleporting working. I believe. I hear the rabbit. I do not see the rabbit. She'll be somewhere. TOYA. Yeah. Um, yeah. So this is all working as intended, which is great. The thing that isn't working is I haven't set up yet. I haven't yet set up what happens when we actually step through the portal. Hello, hi. What I think I need to do is we've got this teleport G logic. Um, yeah, yeah, it's close. So I had a joke. Hit me with the joke. Tracked stacks. I think this logic is gonna come in here. Because actually before we do, um, hello, how we doing? Um, yep, it needs to be one of them. If that, yep, and then it's just a set case of if stack dot transform dot position, oops, is equal to transform dot position plus um, and then also plus that. Yeah. Let's see if that works. If if current teleporting door at door check migrate entity and yeah, we'll just check that this is working first because that should work. TOYA move executor is debug. It should do. It might have a little snapping issue. Currently in teleporting door, is that what I said? Currently, no. Grid entity is at. No. Okay. No. Yep. Teleporting door lift is debug is on. I'm still in play mode. Get my TOYA, turn off his debug on that so I can see what's going on. Oh. Yeah. Change sort of position. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Whoa. Fix yourself. Yeah, there we go. Stack position, required position. Yeah. That should work. Why you no work? These other ones on. Keep. No, you're not on debug, and you're not on debug. There's just too many. There's too much going on. I can't tell what's happening. Too many debugs. There is such a thing. Crazy. Oh, I'm so annoying this one. Excuse me. Required position is. That seems wrong. Yeah, 6.5. Where's the teleporting door? Yeah, it's there. Hmm. Strange. It should just be adding one, is it not? Stack name, stack position, required position. I might add another one that's like door offset. Um, Very strange. Oh, of course. Yep. Yep. I'm stupid. I am stupid. That's why. Because I was checking before it was at the proper position. Obviously, not obviously, but semi-obviously. So, the next step is so that check's working. Great. Move executor. If it's this and input direction is equal to direction through door, then we want to trigger teleport. Trigger teleport. So what we want to do is we want to hmm. um you've distracted me now, Clicks. That's very rude. It's funny. Till I saw your face turn away from mine. Say a stupid line. You are dumb. Say a stupid line. There we go. Okay. So we are triggering the teleport there. We're getting the duplicate stacks. Yeah. Let's start by just doing that. By just transferring control and see what happens. So remove this TOYA from player brain. And then add all duplicates to player brain. Each stack in that. Yep. Yep. And then either way we do the move. Yeah, let's see what that does. It is pretty complicated. I'm doing teleportation, but I'm not just doing normal teleportation, it's also duplication. Who's messaging me? Chad's messaging me. Cool. Yes, so let's test. So as you see, we've got this little trigger box here that detects when we're near the teleport door. And when we do that, we create duplicates. And then hopefully when we get close and step through, no. Good. Probably because it's still removing them. That's why. In teleport door, it's still removing them. Track stacks. Remove track stack. Probably on the on trigger exit. Yeah. Yeah. What if I also remove them in here? And then remove from tracked stacks. Current teleporting door, remove grid entity. I think should work. We'll see. We might get a null reference error because it started the coroutine already. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, it's trying to do the move. Oh, of course. Yeah, okay. Let's do the move first then. Which seems a little weird. I can always just like trigger the move in there as well, but it's just let's see if it works this way. Okay. Progress. I can now make duplicates. Oh. Oh dear. Um, it's working perfectly with no errors at all. Let's get this camera to be a bit better positioned, shall we? None. And be a bit wider. And move over a little. That should be better. Yes. I think essentially what we want to do is is it destroying it as well in here? Remove from stack. Yeah, it's destroying it there. Hmm. Yeah. Let's actually start by removing these destination doors from these two. It's just a one way at the moment because I think it's overcomplicating it. Particularly while we're just trying to get it working. So when I do that, we are getting index out of ranges in the destination doors. Ah, because there are none. There's a rabbit licking my foot. Oh, I see. We're getting no reference. Excellent. All right, let's just simplify it down to just one. The rabbit is licking my leg, and it is tickly. Because I think part of the issue is that we are creating a new one. Oh, now I'm getting no reference errors here. Why? Oh, probably because this one is like, hey, what's that? Yeah. Cool. So I think what's happening is when we step through, when we step, can't. When we step through, this guy enters this one and creates a new, yeah. So there's a second guy here. There's another one ready to go. A better way to do it actually would be to use this one instead of making a new one and like move that thing over. Because if I open up a Figma thing to try and draw this out, it gets pretty complicated pretty quickly. But we have TOYA. And we have a duplicate. Duplicate TOYA. So when, and then we have a doorway. Let's make the doorway gray. And these guys are linked to each other. This guy is here. When we step through, the duplicate comes through, and they should swap. Oh, I could literally swap. Oh, but then that assumes that they're one ways. No, what I want to do is if when we step through a doorway, this guy gets added to the nearbys of this one. This doorway needs a link to its... Yeah. Yeah, okay. Cool. So, in our teleporting doors, we need, unsurprisingly, linked doorways. Yeah. And then when do I have an on validate yet? I don't. Oh yeah, I do. Direction through door, but also for each destination door, for each teleport door, destination door in that, yes. Destination door dot link doors at that. Gorgeous. If destination door dot link doors does not contain this, add this. And then also add linked doors. Add itself to linked doors. Verify this. Yep. So for each, no, for each teleport door, linked door in linked doors, if linked door does not contain this, no, if linked doors destination doors does not contain this, then we've got an error. Yeah. Is that one? Amazing. They've automatically propagated. Yeah, because this is a one-way loop. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. So you can not be serialized. And then what we need to do is cool. Yeah, I will do that. So instead of removing it even, what we could do is, if we're doing this, we don't want to, well, we do want to do this, but we also want to remove this guy from current teleporting door, but then also add duplicates to track stacks. Add duplicates to tracked stacks of destination doors. So for each, yeah. For each stack and duplicate in, no, yes, duplicate stack bottom, yep. Oh, I forgot it. We did that. Never mind. We've got that information. Never mind. We don't need link doors. I am stupid. Cool. Yep. We want to add no. Stack and duplicate item 2. Um, yes. Oh. That might break stuff, but I want to test it. What is the deal? Who's shitty? Ah. Hmm. I don't know what I'm using that for. Ew. Great. I have broken something. What is going on? There we go. There we go. Fixed it, hopefully. There we go. That's the clone that gets added. Interesting. Hmm. Maybe for nowsies, we just, instead of all this, we just add it. That's what's going to happen anyway. Yeah, let me see if that works. Let's try destroying this one. Yeah, destroy after move. And then do we have destroy after move? Yeah. She's eating her box again. There's a rabbit in there. Rabbit. That works. Are you kidding me? Oh, don't worry about that. Except for that, going at it straight on works. You what? It works. You're shitting me. I didn't think that would work. No way. Oh, this is why we do it. This is why we do it. I love this. Get them lined up. Let's see if we can Scooby Doo properly. What am I? No. Pivot. There we go. Look at that. It works. I can't believe it. Now obviously there's issues. Don't get me wrong, there's issues. But it's close. Let's see if we can't fix that little bug. I also need to get it to not name it TOYA 1 scale clone 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 clone. Where's my then add to stack. Where's my instantiate again? I forget where I do that. I think it's up here in track stacks. Yep. New duplicate name. Just the same name. Because otherwise it gets ridiculous quickly. Oh, actually we can do duplicate number. And then also grab a new int, which is dupe count or num, which equals the stack name. Yep, that. Yep, I like that. Yep, that works. Yeah, beautiful. Let's see if that works. What number are you? Oh. Close. Close. Um, um, yeah, +1. And then equals its name plus this. Actually, yeah. No, just do this. No, I don't even need this F. Just do this. Split it by this. I don't know what that'll do actually. Because I'm setting it equal to an array of no, go away. Hey, that works nicely. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy with how that is. Excellent. And we can do some stuff with the visuals, but I'm just getting functionality working for now. Um, oh. Okay. The next step is, yes, fixing how that offset works. Draw offset calculation. Yeah. Yeah. Inverted position is a funny one. What if I just go back to doing this, see if this works. I don't think it will, for the record, but it does make some sense. Does it? I don't think it does. The tricky thing is, like, if I come at it from here, Never mind, it works perfectly. Yeah, okay. That works, sure. But I'm not confident this will work. I also haven't tried this yet, which may break it. Yep, immediately. Yeah. Amazing. That royally broke it. Um, is that because they're on top of each other? Probably. Why is it offset weirdly? Is this offset? Ah, yes, that's why. There we go. Ah, it works so well. You're shitting me. Oh my god, that's brilliant. Oh, I love it. Oh. Okay, that's good to know. We should have a check to make sure they're in the right position because we can obviously. That's not ideal. Oh, good. Yeah, okay. Um, the last thing to try is obviously this. Uh, yeah. Oh, I love it. Yeah, that's fine. Um, yeah. Hello, Bunan. Teşekkür Bunan. Um, yes, let's try the carryable. And then I might go have a coffee. Oh, who are you? Who are you? Oh, I see. That's good to know, actually. Shit. I think that's because of doing that. Yeah. And it's inverted still. Amazing. That's funny as. Yeah, we'll need more advanced checking. It works with carryables. That's crazy. This is so rad. Oh my god. I can't believe that. Okay, let's try multiple duplicate. Let's try duplicating the doors, see if it breaks it. So like this one leads to sorry, this one leads to both left and right one. Let's see if that works. Okay, some things are breaking, but that's good. Um, good. What's going wrong? I think it's because I think it's because one of these doors leads to the left door. Yeah, this you are left two. Oops. Yep. So you need to go to door right. Um, yeah. I think, yeah. We might have to deal with the bug of multiple doors going to the same door. Like, for example, if this guy goes through, oop, that's fine. Where did you come from? Okay. Multiple doors is fucky. I might add a null check for this in the validate. Oops. Each if destination door is null, remove. Break. So for example, if I add one and then assign this to none, it's gone. Sick. This is working very well. Certainly well enough to get Dan prototyping, mostly. It's a few bugs, but on the whole, it's looking really good. I'm going to take a break there. Thanks for coming along. I will be back this afternoon. We'll see what Dan's been up to. But I'm going to do some more businessy stuff this afternoon. Yeah. Be well. See you next time.